For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. Salman Khan and Sohail Khan have their hands full promoting their soon-to-be-released film Tube Light. And recently, the two were seen having a blast in Sunil Grover's brand new show Super Nights with Tube Light. And along with the two Khan brothers, we also had the Lissam beauty Moni Roy. Yes, the Nagin of small screen danced to a medley of Salman's hit numbers. But a special video of Salman and Moni kissing has gone viral. What? Now this is something we didn't expect. But wait guys, nothing is brewing between the two. In fact, the seeming kiss happened when Moni was walking absent-mindedly on the sets and suddenly turned, bumping into Salman, accidentally planting a kiss on him. While Salman was all smiles after the incident, Moni seemed quite embarrassed as she steadied herself. And the video of this accidental kiss began to circulate, giving fuel to the rumor mills. Well, indeed, it will be fun to see the two together in Super Nights with Tube Light. Henna?
Yeah.
Who would you say is a better actor and who would you say is a better director?
Arbaz, I only have both.
So as a director now, since Arbaz doesn't want to direct, okay, so I would say that Sohail is a better director because he's more patient. Okay, Sohail के साथ आप improvise कर सकते हो, लेकिन Arbaz panic हो जाता है. Arbaz का BP ऊपर नीचे होना शुरू हो जाता है. So now this time we want to start Dabangg 3. This is very good, but I'm not going to direct it. I'll produce it. So I said, very good. We'll find a good director for that.
Well, we have been telling you how Salman's Tube Light could be bigger than Bahubali 2 and how it is not possible. But Salman has done the impossible now with booking 10,000 screens worldwide, which is 1,000 screens more than Bahubali 2's 9,000 screens. Finally, Salman Khan fans can say that their icon is bigger than Prabhas, the star of Bahubali, who really created a wave across the country with playing Bahubali. In fact, he was really considered unbeatable and invincible, so convincing was his role on screen. There were also rumors that Prabhas would again star in Bollywood flick with Prabhu Deva. However, till then, it is tube light time for Salman would be coming out with his Eid gift to his fans. He also is getting ready with Tiger Zinda Hai, his next with Katrina. Anyway, enjoy this feeling of Salman having scored an A with his fans. Henna?
And the performance of Salman? It's outstanding. Outstanding. I think it's the best performance.
So you liking your trailer of Light or not? I'm just asking.
Of course I love it.
Okay, so
It's a beautiful movie. It's a beautiful movie.
Julia, how
Heart-touching.
Sorry, which one is your favorite song from Tube?
Oh, all of them. They are so good.
how do you-
But radio song is very, very
And how
good.
the performance
All
of
of them.
Salman?
Actually, I can't decide.
And the performance of Salman?
It's outstanding. Outstanding. I think it's the best performance.
so you liking your trailer of Light or not? I'm just asking.
Of course I love it.
Okay, so
It's a beautiful movie. It's a beautiful movie.
Julia,
Which one is your favorite
Heart-touching.
song from Tube Light? Sorry, which one is your favorite song from Tube?
Oh, all of them. They are so good.
how do you-
But radio song is very, very
And how
good.
the performance
All
of
of them.
Salman?
Actually, I can't decide.
And the performance of Salman?
It's outstanding. Outstanding. I think it's the best performance.
Well, this is a whammer for all Salman fans who got a glimpse of this share from Ali Abbas Zafar of Tiger Zinda Hai's first song. Yes, and the short glimpse that we get also sets us thinking if the flick is getting ready for an early release. These days, it is the songs that release before the promos, pictures and trailers, with the Janta already abreast of the songs when they watch the movie. However, this video share only gives us more interest to know more about the movie and the setting where the song is placed in the flick. Salman and Katrina would be again playing raw agents in the film, and earlier Kabir Khan directed Ek Tha Tiger, already setting the ball rolling for the fans to wait for another interesting sequel. Aren't you excited to know more about this song which has just come up with a share? Do let us know.
so you liking your trailer of Light or not? I'm just asking.
Of course I love it.
Okay, so
It's a beautiful movie. It's a beautiful movie.
Julia,
Which one is your favorite song
Heart-touching.
from Tube Light? Sorry, which one is your favorite song from Tube?
Oh, all of them. They are so good.
how do you-
But radio song is very, very
And how
good.
the performance
All
of
of them.
Salman?
Actually, I can't decide.
And the performance of Salman?
It's outstanding. Outstanding. I think it's the best performance.
so you liking your trailer of Light or not? I'm just asking.
Of course I love it.
Okay, so
It's a beautiful movie. It's a beautiful movie.
Julia,
Which one is your favorite song
Heart-touching.
from Tube Light? Sorry, which one is your favorite song from Tube?
Oh, all of them. They are so good.
how do you-
But radio song is very, very
And how
good.
the performance
All
of
of them.
Salman?
Actually, I can't decide.
And the performance of Salman?
It's outstanding. Outstanding. I think it's the best performance.
Yes, it's true. In a recent interview, Katrina narrated an incident where she actually bawled her eyes out, and still Salman was laughing uncontrollably. This happened during her struggling days when Katrina was yet to make her mark in B-Town. Apparently, she was cast for Anurag Basu's film Saya, where she was to share screen space with the handsome hunk John Abraham. However, after shooting for 2 days, she was informed that she was chucked out. This left her shocked, and she felt that her career had come to an end. The British beauty was inconsolable and was sobbing throughout when Salman met her. On finding out why she was crying, Salman burst out laughing. But later he calmed down and supported her as a good friend would, and here we are, Katrina back in town in a confident avatar, sharing screen space with Salman himself in Tiger Zinda Hai. Now isn't this great? Do let us know what do you think about this. Salman Khan's Tube Light is indeed going places, and how. Its popularity is really illuminating the whole world. In fact, we spotted hoardings of Salman Khan's tube light at Times Square in New York City. This is the first time that we got to see a Bollywood film feature in New York. It was indeed a sight to see, and this does make us quite proud. Tube Light unravels a lesser explored chapter of history which deals with the iconic war between India and China in 1962. The film features Salman Khan as a dimwit who embarks on a journey to search for his lost brother. Sohail Khan plays the role of Salman's brother in real life, and it will really be a great experience to see the equation of the Khan brothers on celluloid. Chinese actress Suzu marks her debut in Bollywood with this film, and this is the last film where we will get to see the late actor Om Puri. This itself is a reason enough to watch the film, and we truly understand why Tube Light deserves to be on Times Square. So what do you feel about this latest achievement? Do let us know. Pakistan may not have the screening of Salman's Tube Light, and this is because two other films, Shor Sharaba and Yalghar, are being slated for a release. The two big-time films of Pakistan are for international viewing, and the country does not wish to ride on the Salman wave that is always there when his film is released there. Obviously, the Dabangg Bhaijaan is not only famous on real life for cross-border love, but also in real life. Well, sad that Salman would have to miss out on Pakistan viewing, and it sure is going to hit the distribution quotient, which was all set for whooping 130 crores collection even before the movie was released. Set for a June 23rd release, Tube Light is the story of a simpleton who shows his confidence against adversities and is set on the Indo-China war background. So is that why Pakistan is backing out? The China connection. Do let us know what you feel about why the flick won't be screened there. Shah Rukh Khan was interacting with fans, and when one of them asked if he would watch Tube Light with him, Shah Rukh said that he would be with Salman on that day. The bhaichara between Salman and Shah Rukh is really getting stronger by the day, and the fact that SRK would be a part of the upcoming Salman flick is only making the bond stronger. Shah Rukh Khan is also getting ready with his upcoming flick with Imtiaz Ali, and then he would do the film in which he would play a dwarf. However, we do see that when it comes to Fan and Salman, it is Salman that SRK chooses. Salman Khan is also coming up with his another movie Tiger Zinda Hai this year end, but for now the fans would have the best of Lakshman Bijt Singh in his upcoming Tube Light. Do let us know what do you feel about Salman and Shah Rukh as a jury, and tell us if you would like to watch a film starring the two together. Didn't we show you the Galti Se Mistake song from Ranbir Kapoor's upcoming movie Jagga Jasoos? Well, now we also see him imitating the versatile and Bollywood's own Bhaijaan Salman Khan. Scene taken the trademark Salman pose here is Ranbir striking a pose flaunting his six-pack and oops bread. Yes, he places 6 pieces of bread and takes Salman's pose and just proved how impish he can get in Tinseltown. Jagga Jasoos is the next upcoming Ranbir film, which has him and his ex-girlfriend Katrina. Though the two have apparently separated in real life, they have shown a great chemistry on screen in the flick. With the Badtameez Dil guy flaunting his popularity quotient by imitating the Dabangg Khan, we know for sure all Salman fans too are going to watch his movie. What say? Salman and Katrina met last night coincidentally, and Salman welcomed his Tiger Zinda Hai co-star with a big hug. Obviously, the paparazzi was happy and clicked the precious moment immediately. Well, we do know that Salman and Katrina are getting ready with their upcoming movie for the year end with Tiger Zinda Hai, and the two are again going to chase each other, playing the role of raw agent. With all this happening and with Salman being Kat's permanent soft shoulder, we surely dig their closeness and bonding. Well, for starters, we do love their incessant ability to strike a popularity quotient with their fans, and we also look forward to a grand year end when they would be seen again sizzling with their sequel to Ek Tha Tiger. Tiger Zinda Hai is directed by Ali Abbas Zafar and is surely a must-watch with so much happening. Do let us know what do you feel about Salman's hug to Katrina. The scene at Mehboob studio was mesmerizing as Salman escorted his ex Katrina Kaif to her car before he zoomed off in a rickshaw. The Shutterbugs went crazy clicking the two. Salman was present at Mehboob studios to promote his film Tube Light, while Katrina too was promoting her film Jagga Jasoos. Well, Salman, Sohail, Katrina and Ranbir all in the same place. We wonder how things would have moved on. But these pictures reveal that Ranbir had already left and Katrina was leaving the studio alone. It was then that the bhai escorted her to her car before stepping into an auto and heading towards his Bandra home. Indeed, the bonding between these two exes is commendable, isn't it? Though their off-screen chemistry is a thing of the past, we will get to see the ex-flames share screen space in the upcoming spy thriller Tiger Zinda Hai. Now this is something we really look forward to. Meanwhile, take a look at these pictures of Salman and Katrina and let us know what do you think of them.
सलमान, इसके अलावा आपका किरदार बहुत ही मतलब चैलेंजिंग है इस बार, तो क्या प्रिपरेशन की है अपने किरदार को लेकर?
की होगी पता नहीं, बट जिस दिन वो स्क्रिप्ट मैंने सुना तो ऐसा होता है कि आप जब आप एक स्क्रिप्ट सुनते हो तो अगर आप उस स्क्रिप्ट में अपने आप को नहीं देख पाते तो आइडियल चीज़ ये है कि नो मैटर हाउ ब्यूटीफुल द स्क्रिप्ट इज, यू शुड नॉट डू इट. Or then you have to work that much hard, to visually see yourself in that movie. So every film that I've done is जब मेरे पास एक कोई script आती है, if I like it, first when the narration happens, I need to see myself doing it. जब तक कि I don't see myself doing it, I don't sign the movie. तो इसके अंदर एक जब ये कबीर ने मुझे सुनाना शुरू किया है, इस फिल्म के अंदर मैंने धीरे धीरे अपने आप को देखना शुरू किया.
Salman and Kabir Khan's Tube Light promotions are on in full swing, and just some time back we told you about the character introduction of Salman Khan as Lakshman. And now Sony Music India has come up with a surprise for all Salman fans. They have released the teaser of a new song from the upcoming Tube Light, that is Main Agar. Yes, you heard it right. This is the upcoming song from Salman Khan's movie Tube Light, and fans are going crazy seeing the chemistry between Chinese actress Suzu and our bhaijan Salman. The lyrics of the song seem very emotional, and we are sure just like Tinka Tinka, this song too will be a heart-wrenching number. While we give you more updates on the happenings of Tube Light, do let us know how did you like the teaser. Kabir Khan is an ace director who has a string of hits to his credit. And when this ace director collaborates with Salman Khan, it is always a winning equation. The two have earlier delivered hits like Ek Tha Tiger and Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and now for the third time in a row, the two have reunited for the soon-to-be-released film Tube Light. In a recent Twitter exchange between filmmaker Kabir Khan and Salman Khan's dear sister Arpita, we noted that Arpita couldn't stop her tears after watching Tube Light, and when she tweeted about the same to Kabir Khan, he was more than glad. In response to Arpita's tweet, Kabir Khan replied, "Sorry Arpita, but the more you cry in the film, the happier I will be." Well, so now we know why Kabir is happy to see Arpita in tears. But this also clearly works as an indication of what to expect out of Tube Light. So guys and girls, don't forget to carry a box of tissues when you go to watch Tube Light. While this emotional connect does make us eager to watch the magic on 23rd June, let us know if you too are excited to experience the myriad emotions of Tube Light. Yes, you heard it right. Bahubali fame Prabhas, an acclaimed South superstar, will star with our very own Dabangg Bhaijaan in an upcoming Rohit Shetty flick. Yes, we did tell you some time back that Salman is planning to do a film with Prabhas, and now it is all coming true. For those who have come in new, let us tell you Salman was keen to do a film with Prabhas just after Bahubali 2 was released, and now it would be all seen on big screen. For all Bahubali fans, this is a double dhamaka because they would not only get a colourful Rohit Shetty but also a combination of the entertainer of Tinseltown in Bollywood and the action king of South, Prabhas, who has already killed a few hearts already. Anyway, what do you feel about this unique combination that has hit the film market? Do let us know.